Oh wow.
Yeah. That is pretty cool. I like this elevator.
We're just going to see right now.
No, our mission is to find the presidential suite or the executive suite, whatever.
Oh really?
Because that was Charles's house. Yeah.
Well, he's so high up on the...
His stepdad was the manager.
What?
Yes.
Wait, this is not right.
Oh.
Yeah, it's funny.
Wait.
Oh, ew. Toothpaste.
Oh, we're still there.
Why? Oh yeah, duh.
Do you think that's it? Do you think that was his house?
Who knows?
I don't know what room number that is.
Just go to all but one.
Wait, oh here, it'll say. Oops. No, this is not right. That's either it or it's on the 23rd floor.
Why 23rd?
Huh?
What's
Because this is like, I don't know, something else.
there? Ew.
Hi, we're in your house. Nice house.
No.
No.
Sucks.
This is better than any house we're gonna get. Except Paul and Grace's, because that has a cooler shower.
Oh, what is the ones in the elevator?
23. Is that your floor? 23.
Better be. Because I'm wasting my time with this
I'm not wasting
for
your
no
time.
reason.
Alright.
Yeah, this is definitely...
How are we gonna know which one's the presidential
Whoa.
suite? Whoa. Oh my god, don't die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just kidding. Just kidding. Not funny. Oh,
Where are they?
they're downstairs. But I can't figure out. I wish we could ask somebody. I feel that'd be kind of weird. This is kind of scary.
Let's go back there.
Alright.
Let's call the front desk. Where's the residential suite?
The residential
I
suite.
mean the president.
Alright, let's go. This is a cool.
Oh, click it.
You're bizarre.
It's like touchscreen, not like a button.
Bye. He can't see that. He can't see it because it's dark. Darn it.
Who cares? OMG. Turn it on.
No.
Why
Floor
click it?
1. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you stupid. I always have to click the stupid close button.
We ate it at a buffet here. At a
Oh my
restaurant.
gosh, they're in the elevator.
No, they're not.
You're funny.
Oops. Bye-bye.